Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we've taken a low ponytail and then we are twisting it around and then putting a hair clip down here. After that we are going to take the remaining hair and then expanding them and folding them into this beautiful bun. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, applying a rubber band at the bottom and then taking it, folding it out, and then we are applying a hair clip at the back and making this into a beautiful bun. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we've taken a low ponytail and then applying a clip at the middle and then folding the ponytail out into this beautiful low bun. Next we are going to take our ponytail, loosening it a little bit and then applying a hair clip. After that taking the rest of the untied hair and making a bun of it by applying this black pin, and it's ready. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then applying this beautiful clip. After that taking the ponytail and converting it into a beautiful bun.